there then? You just use that existing wire?
Yeah, we put a junction box. So whenever you have a problem, we can come up. All you do is just
show your boss this video.
Yeah. It's for the website because we got a map where it pinpoints.
Can I just say, these two guys who fitted my awning were very, very, very
what
good.
They do, they'll send you a link. They'll send you a link.
But one of them's very cheeky.
That's him.
And likes a croissant with his cup of tea.
Yeah, they'll send you a link and you can put down it's Mark and Dominic.
Where are the lights?
In the arms. Switch them on for you. There you go.
Oh, love it. Let me just take a picture.
Right, Dom, just bring it back in.
What's that out? So one of the little ones here.
Right, okay.
This is where we sit, that. It's like...
Do you like a nice little matching one?
Yeah.
Straight on there.
Roughly how much is on £100, isn't it?
Oh, do you have to measure one up? Like measure up and see the price?
Yeah.
You're going to have to measure for gallows as well.
Yeah, we'll have to go on gallows. Well, not gallows, spreader plates.
We sit here the most.
No, let's...